Bling! Huh?
Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So, if you are new here, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a Rottweiler. So I think these dogs are really, really cute. And I'm going to start drawing our Rottweiler here with the nose. So I'm going to do a shape like this. And give it a little top there. I'm going to put a line in the middle, but not all the way up. And he needs nostrils, course, and those nostrils, we can color them in all super duper dark. No light is getting up there. All right, and next, let's do a little line coming down from the middle of the nose there, the middle end, and we can kind of do the mouth area. So we go down, come on up, and now we're going to go down and come on up again. All right, so now I'm going to do a little shape like this for an eye. And we can do a little circle inside. I'm going to put a little circle up top and a little circle in the middle there, and that middle circle is going to go all black. And I'm going to do a little shape like that, kind of a funny little shape. And then a little curved line right there. And now we're going to do the other eye. So we can try our best to match them up as well as we can, but it's okay if they're not super duper identical. We're just having fun here and practicing drawing, learning how to draw something different. So it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so now we're going to do that other little patch here above the eye. Okay, and now up top, we're going to give him the top of his head here. And he needs some ears, some kind of slanting down like this and coming back up. And we're going to do the same over here. I'm going to make this ear here look like it's a little bit longer because I made this one a little bit longer. So I'm trying to match them up a little bit. But as I said before, it doesn't have to be perfect. Do a few little strokes here under the ears. Okay, so next let's do a bit of a face shape here. And come on in here. And we can give him a little bottom part of his mouth right there. All right, so next I'm going to make these parts of the mouth here come up a little bit higher. Like that. And next, let's see, we can do a little shape right here, kind of a little bit of a neck scruff. And we'll do a few flicks of fur here. A few flicks of fur. And right here, I'm going to color this in all black. And right here, we're going to have some like puppy dog lip sticking out and color that in all dark too. And kind of put it on this side too. And And let's do a few little dots. And I'm going to do a few little flicks of dark going outward from the middle. Alright, so now starting at about right here, I'm going to do a little line like this coming downward, and I'm going to do a line, curved line here, and come on down for a leg. And over here, we've got a bit of shoulder. And we're coming down for another front leg. And another line. See, I kind of came out a little bit here and come on back in. Or sorry, continue going down. And let's see, right here, I'm going to do kind of like, it's going to be like a different color patch of fur. And same on this side. Okay, and this is going to be a different color patch of fur. All right, so I'm going to continue going down here with our puppy dog paw, and puppy dog paw down here too. And we can bring a line upward. And right here we can do another shoulder. And we're going to do a line down here and bring it up a bit. This is also just going to be like a different color patch of fur. And let's see. Let's give them a little bit of a hip here. A little leg. A line right here. He's going to have his foot. He's going to have a few toes here. And a little heel. And give him a couple little toenails, little claws. And do a line here. And one right there. And we can give him another little bottom foot here, a little back foot. A few more little claws, little toenails. And we can't really see the front ones very well because the page cut off, but we can give him a tail. Like that. And I'm going to do a line kind of like this, and that's just also going to separate the color, because this is going to be a different color than this. And I'll just throw in a few little flicks of fur here and there. And let's see. Well, he's sitting down, so let's draw some ground here for him to sit on, so he's not just kind of sitting, floating in the air. All right, so I'm going to get started with our coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our Rottweiler drawing. I think he turned out pretty cute, but let me know in the comments below what you think. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what you would like to learn how to draw. All right, everyone, hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!